Hi everybody, Mark from AMES. A little tool tip here on keeping your tape guide where the tape flows through on the Bazooka clean. So after you clean the tool at the end of the day and you're storing it, take a piece of tape and push it up through the tape guide. Just push it all the way through till it comes out on the top. And I like to just kind of fold this so it doesn't, come right out easily. Just fold the piece in there so it just sits in the tape guide. Take some Bazooka oil. Bazooka oil is the best thing. And just spray that tape down inside there, okay? What this does, it keeps the oil from dissipating. It'll stay on the tape guide, and after a while that surface will be really smooth so the joint compound or the mud won't dry on there. Just a little tip. Thanks for watching.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.